I've lost me shoe. Off me clamp, yeah. Why does that happen? You see, that clamp should look a bit more like that clamp with a shoe. But they ain't got a shoe. And I didn't throw my shoe because who throws a shoe? No, but it's gone. Why is that? I'll tell you why that happens, okay? Is if you keep on unwinding it so far, just so you can squeeze that extra little bit of thick wood in there, right? And you go and go and go and go and go, and there's no stop, apart from the shoe. And you can accidentally, without realising, release the shoe off the actual end of your clamp. And if that happens, you might not know you've actually done it until you take the clamp off your workpiece and it falls off on the floor somewhere with all the shavings and you can never find it again. So, make sure whenever you're using any kind of G-clamp like these, or anything with a shoe on it like that, make sure you don't go further, or unwind it further, no more than like that, alright? Go all the way if you like, but don't allow that to push against that, because you'll pop the shoe off and you'll lose it. Just a little bit of advice for you, for your clamping care. And you gotta care for your clamps, you know, that you have, or you'll get your cramps, you see. That don't work, do it? Toodaloo, beep the like button.